My name is Eileen Bellart and I'm the Managing Director of HANSI. I started the Menopause Project about 2012 is when I got involved with the menopause, and I was running a workshop with another friend of mine, and then we realised actually that trying to find a positive image about the menopause just wasn't happening. And then we got funded by the London Borough of Hackney Public Health team that time, and the City and Hackney CCG, and we felt it was really important to run awareness programs for health professionals as well as running programs for menopausal women.
I started maybe last year. I went on to the 12-week course, which was quite interesting because I just left work due to ill health, due to my menopause. And someone mentioned the menopause course, so I thought, well, you know something, go for it, because I've been suffering for a good few years. So when I went on the course, I was quite very sick, and I didn't realize how sick I was and how the menopause actually affected me. So it was a good experience to be on a course for it was for 12 weeks, and I made a lot of friends and I learned a lot of things mentally, physically, emotionally and socially.
And my name is Laura Jane Connolly, and I'm the Inclusive Sports Development Manager at Core Arts, which manages the programme called Core Sports. There was a lot of demand for a sports programme. However, Paul and Juliana, the director and deputy director, noticed that not other service providers were offering sports for severe mental health needs. And then they brought it into the service and organisation in 2015. And then, the first year was really successful. We had engaged over 400 males and females within City and Hackney with severe mental health needs. 2.5 years later, we've engaged just over 700 people.
Well, I come and I play tennis. We go to tennis and we play table tennis, basketball, and we have a core health group which I attend, which I'm finding that I have some kind of routine that I can manage, you know, for the present. So I felt more confident since starting at Core Arts, and it's helped me a lot. I'm pleased.
The City and Hackney Time Credits project came about after working with St Mungo's in Haringey on a project that was focused on engaging people affected by substance use. And we wanted to work in Hackney to try and start a time credits project that would engage people affected by homelessness, to try and get people to give their time, engage in their community, and hopefully access activities that otherwise wouldn't necessarily be easy to go to, such as the cinema or the gym.
The way I earn time credits, like Chris said, was mainly through just spending my own time to help others. So most of the time I was earning from doing an IT course here. Honestly, I don't want to say it personally made a difference to me, but I feel like I can do a lot of things I probably weren't able to do. So, for example, like cinema trips, I've been on plenty of cinema trips because of the time credits. I've watched a lot of films. Honestly, I probably would have just watched online for free, but it was worthwhile going to the cinema to watch it in full view.
For anybody that's thinking about applying for funding, my advice would be to think about the change that we're trying to demonstrate or effect in Hackney or in City and Hackney, how you're going to illustrate that impact and how you can evaluate it along the way. Don't be afraid to bring a really radical idea as well, because it might just go through and it might be fantastic.
I would definitely say one of the biggest things is to really give what is demanded of the people that you're offering it to. I mean, we wouldn't have had the success that we had if I decided I wanted to run whatever sports I wanted to do. So I think it's really, really important that you kind of like supply the demand of the group that you're going to be working with. That way everybody will get so much more out of it. They will then, numbers will grow, and it's definitely supply for your demand. That's my most practical